So I thought I'd be doing this video maybe by November or by the end of October, and there was a part of me that thought that I was never going to do the video. But the fact that I'm doing this video is very surprising for me, and I'm going to talk about why I say so in a couple of seconds, so stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Karen and welcome to Try It and Test It. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below in case you find my content helpful. And if you are subscribing, then do activate the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I've been doing fab bag videos for the last couple of months on my channel now, and I wanted to check out an international subscription box that ships worldwide, and that's how I came across the Medusa box. So this is a monthly subscription box, and the great part about this brand is if you check out their site, you'll see that all their makeup products are vegan and cruelty free. The shipping to America is around $18 and internationally it's $26.25. I'll share the link of the site below. The payment procedure is also quite hassle free. I used my PayPal account, so I spent a total of rupees 2,072 for this box, and that includes shipping. Now my only fear was the custom charges, because I've read a lot of reviews and I've seen a lot of videos where people are charged a bomb when it comes to customs. I really did not know what to expect. So my second fear was the delivery time. When I started off my video by saying that I really thought that I would be doing this video by the end of October or by November, you know, there was a part of me that thought that maybe my box was going to get misplaced or I was going to get it max by December. However, I placed my order on the 24th of September and I received it on the 9th of October, which is why I am so surprised. I was not even charged any customs. So I'm all the more surprised and happy. Also, another thing that I want to give credit to is the customer service. Like, I send an email to them and I get a response the next day or in a couple of hours, and they will keep you updated about your order. So yeah, my whole experience with them was pretty good. And now let's come to all the products that I received in the box. When you open the box, you're going to see two things. One is the product card and the other is a coupon code to one of their brands called Main Club. It's a 25% off coupon code. So the first item that I received in the box, and something that I was extremely excited about, was this hair mask by this brand called Main Club. So it says, hey babe, turn that frown upside down, wash your worries away and treat yourself to this repairing hair mask. It's said to repair, reduce breakage, deeply condition. So the reason you see this clip is because I used this product last evening and I was really excited about it, and I wanted to test it out and talk about it in today's video. Now I did use it after shampooing my hair. On application, you find your hair feeling nice and smooth. Even when you wash the product off, your hair feels smooth. Now when I woke up this morning and I styled my hair didn't really feel extremely soft or anything. The only thing that I saw was that it kind of controlled my frizz, and when I wake up in the morning, my hair makes me look like Medusa. But since this kind of controlled the frizz, it did seem a little manageable. However, the humidity in Mumbai, as always, is really high. I just wish my hair felt a little softer and silkier after using this hair mask. I'm gonna have to wait and see if this has any further improvement on my hair, but for now this is what it is. The second product that I received is this Medusa's vegan lipstick. This is priced at $14. Description here says this bright and beautiful lipstick is a luxurious blend of natural vegan waxes. Color-rich pigment, creamy, soft and nourishing, can be applied to lips and even cheeks. I have worn this on my cheeks today as blush, but I did not wear it on my lips because I thought that it was going to make me look too loud. However, here is what the inside packaging looks like, and this is the color. I'm going to swatch it. It's not exactly this red, it has like pinkish undertones, and I'm very happy because I love colors that have like a pinkish undertone, and I see myself using this. I will be wearing it in my next video, which I hopefully will be shooting today so that I can upload 2 videos this week. But yeah, on application this is really creamy, it is well pigmented, and I had tried it yesterday just to see how long it would last me, and it surprisingly did last me for a really long time. The next thing that I received is the Medusa Tropical Eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Bahamas. So this shadow is a range of shadows featuring highly pigmented, long-lasting color in matte finish, and it's priced at $12. As usual, I'm finding it a little out of my comfort zone, and I look like I'm all set for a Halloween party. I don't think I've done a really great job with the blending, but this is literally a beginner trying to do a smoky eye look. What the eyeshadow looks inside, and this is the color. Now it is quite pigmented and it blends well. It's just that I haven't done a good job with the blending, but it does seem like it blends well. I am going to work on my smoky eye look and try and better it the next time. Now before we move on to the last product, I got this sample size lip balm. It's so tiny, so cute. It's It's by Public Goods. It's just called Lip Balm. This was like a complimentary product in the box, but I'm going to be using this tiny thing at night to moisturize my lips before I hit the bed. Okay, I'm going to have to like wind up with this video really quick because it's getting unbearably hot in here. But the last product that I received is the Medusa Disco Queen Lip Gloss, and I think it's in the shade Last Dance. So the description here says Disco Queen Lip Gloss is our 3-dimensional mega glossy formula with an extremely shade shifting sparkle finish. This hydrating thick and full coverage gloss comes with an easy to use soft brush applicator, and this is priced at $11.95. I'm so used to saying rupees that I have to take like several takes before I can say $11.95. So here's what this looks like inside. This is, I don't know if you see it well, but this is the applicator, and yeah, you can't really see the gloss, but it's quite light. I have used it on my lips today, but I wish it was more glossier. Also, I find that there's very little product that comes on the applicator, which is one way good because you can then adjust the amount of gloss that you want. But I'm so used to seeing like a lot of lip gloss on the applicator once you take it out. So yeah, that was the lip gloss. It smells a little like caramel to me. If you want to know what this hair mask smells like, it has a little fruity citrusy scent to it. So yeah, that's all I received in my September Medusa box. The total box value is $42.94. Okay, I'm going to be honest, I was very excited when I got the box, but after using the products, I'm not entirely thrilled. I may want to try out like the other subscription boxes there. I'm going to try adding those once in a quarter because spending that much every month is just too expensive. So yeah, that was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know if there's an international subscription box that you would want me to try out. But I just hope that it ships worldwide. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share this video and other videos across with your friends and family. Please stay safe wherever you are, and I will see you all in my next video.